This is the beginning area of Silent Valley Gate. Silent Valley is really starting from this area. That is the gate which we see. A forest vehicle is passing through this area. A windy season now. It is a windy season. Too much wind is swinging all the trees and the leaves of the trees. So nice to see. The climate is very best and seasonal climate. Eco-diverse and eco-friendly place. It is very silent. The Silent Valley is very silent. There are no other noise or voice. Very silent. People are here to see. It is the main gate of entry of the Silent Valley Park. It is a national park situated in Palakkad district, Taluk of Mannarkad. It is very diverse and long tall trees are here. Windy season. So nice to see. The people are here with us.